Have you ever met someone who seems born to take the lead? They walk into a room with confidence, trust their instincts, and aren't afraid to start something new, even if no one else is willing to go first. If you have the Sun in Aries in the first house, this combination may describe an important part of your personality. Let's break it down. In astrology, the Sun represents your core identity. It's your sense of self, your life purpose, your vitality, and the qualities you're meant to develop throughout your lifetime. Think of the Sun as the main character of your birth chart. It doesn't describe everything about you, but it shines a light on who you're becoming. Aries is the first sign of the Zodiac, ruled by Mars. It symbolizes courage, initiative, independence, and action. Aries doesn't wait for the perfect opportunity. It creates one. This sign thrives on challenge, competition, and discovering what's possible through direct experience. It's bold, honest, passionate, and always ready for a new beginning. At its best, Aries inspires others through courage. At its most unbalanced, Aries can become impatient, impulsive, or overly focused on doing everything alone. The first house is the house of self. It represents your physical presence, your first impressions, your approach to life, and the way you naturally express yourself. It's the lens through which you meet the world. Planets in the first house tend to be highly visible because they are expressed openly through your personality. When the Sun is in Aries in the first house, your identity is closely connected to independence and self-expression. You often feel happiest when you're leading your own life, instead of following someone else's path. There's a natural desire to make your own decisions, trust your instincts, and learn through experience. People may see you as confident, courageous, energetic, or highly motivated, even if you don't always feel that way internally. You usually prefer action over endless planning. Rather than waiting for certainty, you're more likely to jump in and figure things out as you go. One of your greatest strengths is authenticity. You're usually not interested in pretending to be someone you're not just to gain approval. You also possess natural leadership qualities. Others may look to you when something new needs to begin, because you're often willing to take the first step. This placement also brings resilience. Even after setbacks, you tend to recover quickly, because Aries believes every ending is simply another opportunity to start again. Every placement has lessons to learn. One challenge is impatience. You may become frustrated when people move more slowly than you do, or when progress doesn't happen as quickly as you'd like. Another challenge is impulsiveness. Sometimes enthusiasm can lead you to make decisions before you've gathered all the necessary information. You may also struggle with asking for help, because independence feels so important. It can be difficult to trust others or allow yourself to be supported. As you mature, this placement becomes less about proving your strength and more about embodying it. True confidence doesn't need constant validation. The evolved expression of Sun in Aries in the first house is someone who inspires others simply by living authentically. You become a leader not because you demand attention, but because your courage encourages others to believe in themselves. If you have this placement, take a moment to reflect. Are you making choices based on your true desires? Or are you acting out of pride? Where could patience help you achieve your goals more effectively? And what dream have you been waiting to start? Sometimes the bravest thing an Aries Sun in the first house can do is simply begin. Remember, this is only one piece of your birth chart. Your moon, rising sign, planetary aspects, and the rest of your chart all add important layers to your personality and life experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about every planet, sign, and house combination, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. If you have Sun in Aries in the first house, let us know how this placement has shown up in your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.